Ever wondered how tiny habits can transform your life? Imagine if you could make small changes that lead to massive results. Well, today, we're diving into James Clear's bestseller, Atomic Habits, to uncover the secrets of making those small changes that can have a huge impact. Atomic Habits is a powerful book that teaches us how to build good habits, break bad ones, and make remarkable changes in our lives. James Clear, the author, shares actionable strategies and insights that can help anyone improve by just 1% every day. Stick around, because I'm going to share the top 6 key takeaways from Atomic Habits that you can start applying today to transform your life. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started. Number 1, the power of atomic habits. The first key takeaway from Atomic Habits is the understanding of the power of atomic habits. This concept emphasizes that small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements over time. James Clear illustrates how these tiny adjustments, when compounded, can create remarkable transformations. Imagine habits as the compound interest of self-improvement. Just as small financial investments grow exponentially over time, small daily habits can lead to substantial personal growth and achievements. This approach shifts the focus from making drastic changes to implementing minor, manageable actions that accumulate and lead to significant outcomes. For instance, if you commit to reading just 1 page of a book every day, it might not seem like much initially. However, over the course of a year, this small habit can result in finishing several books. The key is consistency, and recognizing that these incremental changes are building up to something much greater. By focusing on small habits, you reduce the overwhelm of major goals and make the process of self-improvement more approachable. This mindset encourages you to start with what is manageable and gradually build upon it, leveraging the power of atomic habits to create lasting change. Number 2, the 4 laws of behavior change. The second key takeaway from Atomic Habits is understanding the 4 laws of behavior change. These laws are essential for forming good habits and breaking bad ones. James Clear introduces these laws as practical steps to shape your behaviors effectively. The first law emphasizes increasing the visibility of your habits, making them clear and apparent in your daily life. The second law focuses on linking your habits to enjoyable activities, ensuring they are appealing and desirable. The third law addresses the ease of performing your habits, suggesting ways to reduce friction and make habits simple to start. Finally, the fourth law highlights the importance of immediate rewards, ensuring that your habits provide instant satisfaction and positive reinforcement. By following these 4 laws, you can create an environment conducive to positive habits and eliminate the triggers of negative ones. Understanding and applying these laws can significantly enhance your ability to develop and maintain lasting behavioral changes. Number 3, the habit loop. The habit loop is a fundamental concept in Atomic Habits that helps us understand how habits are formed and how we can change them. The loop consists of 4 stages: cue, craving, response, and reward. Cue is the trigger that initiates the habit. It's the signal that tells your brain to start a behavior. Cues can be anything from a specific time of day to an emotional state. Recognizing your cues is the first step in understanding your habits. Craving is the motivational force behind every habit. It's the desire for a change in state. For example, the craving for relaxation might drive you to watch TV. Understanding what you are craving helps you address your habit's root causes. Response is the actual behavior or action you take. This is the habit you perform, which can be something positive like going for a run, or something negative like smoking. The response is influenced by your ability to perform the action and the level of motivation you have at that moment. Reward is the end goal of every habit. It's the benefit you gain from the action, which satisfies your craving. Rewards teach your brain whether this particular loop is worth remembering for the future. If the reward is positive, your brain will likely remember the habit loop and repeat it in the future. Understanding the habit loop allows you to dissect and modify your habits more effectively. By identifying the cues and rewards, you can change the response, thus creating new, positive habits or breaking old, negative ones. This approach gives you the tools to take control of your behavior and make lasting changes in your life. Number 4, identity-based habits. In Atomic Habits, James Clear introduces the concept of identity-based habits as a powerful approach to behavior change. Rather than solely focusing on outcomes or specific goals, Clear suggests that the key to lasting habit change lies in identifying with the type of person you wish to become. By aligning your habits with your desired identity, you shift from striving to achieve certain results to embodying a new way of being. This concept encourages a fundamental mindset shift. Instead of saying, "I want to achieve X," you start affirming, "I am the type of person who does Y." For instance, rather than setting a goal to lose weight, you adopt the identity of someone who prioritizes health and fitness in their daily life. This subtle yet profound shift in self-perception can significantly impact your motivation, consistency, and long-term success in habit formation. By focusing on identity-based habits, you not only reinforce positive behaviors, but also strengthen your self-image. Over time, these small changes in behavior reinforce your new identity, making it easier to maintain and build upon your progress. Number 5, environment design. Another key takeaway from Atomic Habits is the concept of environment design. James Clear emphasizes that our environment plays a critical role in shaping our habits. Whether it's our home, workspace, or social circles, the environments we inhabit influence our behaviors in profound ways. By consciously designing our environments, we can make it easier to stick to good habits and more difficult to fall into bad ones. This principle aligns with the idea of reducing friction for desired behaviors and increasing barriers for undesired ones. For example, if you want to eat healthier, you might rearrange your kitchen so that fruits and vegetables are prominently displayed and easily accessible. This small change in environment makes it more likely that you'll choose nutritious options over less healthy ones. Similarly, creating a dedicated workspace free from distractions can enhance focus and productivity. By removing temptations and distractions from your immediate surroundings, you set yourself up for success in maintaining productive habits. Ultimately, environment design is about proactively shaping your surroundings to support your goals and desired behaviors. It's a powerful strategy for creating a conducive environment that naturally reinforces the habits you want to cultivate. Number 6, habit tracking and maintaining motivation. In Atomic Habits, James Clear emphasizes the importance of habit tracking as a tool for maintaining motivation and accountability. By tracking your habits, whether through a journal, app, or simple calendar, you create a visual representation of your progress. This not only helps you stay focused on your goals, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you see how far you've come. Beyond just tracking, Clear suggests that maintaining motivation involves understanding the deeper reasons behind your habits. By connecting each habit to a larger purpose or goal, you can reinforce its importance in your daily life. This helps in staying committed, especially during challenging times when motivation may wane. Moreover, habit tracking serves as a feedback mechanism. It allows you to identify patterns, obstacles, and areas for improvement in your habit formation journey. This self-awareness is crucial for making adjustments and refining your approach over time. Ultimately, whether you use a digital tool or a simple pen and paper, habit tracking is a powerful strategy for staying on course and achieving long-term success in building atomic habits. As we wrap up our exploration of Atomic Habits by James Clear, remember this: the key to transforming your life lies in the small, consistent actions you take every day. By understanding the power of atomic habits, mastering the 4 laws of behavior change, and aligning your habits with your identity, you can create a foundation for lasting success. Take charge of your environment, track your progress diligently, and stay motivated on your journey of personal growth. Start today, and let these principles guide you toward becoming the person you aspire to be. Thank you for joining me in this discussion. If you found value in this summary, consider subscribing for more insights and practical tips. Your support means a lot. Until next time, keep building those atomic habits, and remember, your future is shaped by what you do today.